What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the Finesse God, Edie Diggity, J Diggy 92, coming back at y'all with, y'all can clearly see right here. Scoot this bitch over. Another unboxing. Could y'all please just hit the thumbs up and like button for me? Like, I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm going through right now, but just know your boy took a to the pockets, and yeah, I'm kind of irritated. So can y'all please just hit that thumbs up, the like button, subscribe for me if you haven't already. Road to 10K underway. Yeah, I need y'all support right now. Yeah, I'm a little pissed off, but needless to say, show must go on, right? So today we got two packages, one coming from Sneakers and Stuff, this one coming from Kith. So let's go ahead and get straight into them. So this Sneakers and Stuff package, I'm actually very surprised that I even managed to cop this, just because of, for one, how old it is, and then two, just the fact that it was my size and it was the last one available, like, tripped me out. So I'll pull this out right here. We got a Cause Sakai box. So if y'all know what I just said, or know those brands, you should be able to tell what this pickup is. So that being said, let's go ahead and get into these. I'm actually pretty excited about seeing these. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna close my eyes so y'all see it first. Are they? Is it open? Is it open? Can y'all see? Do they look clean? Y'all couldn't even see them for real. But now today we got the Cause Sakai Blazers, like the low jumps. I got the purple colorway. Like I said, like, I wasn't really tripping on these. To be honest with you, like, I really, not that I didn't intend on copping these, but I really had no intentions of copping these. They was on my radar, but like, it's like one of those things, like, you see them, you're like, oh, those dope. If I got a chance, I'll pick them up, or if I'm in the mood to cop something, I'll pick them up type stuff. But when I was browsing on Sneakers and Stuff and I seen these and they was in my size, last pair, I was like, yo, like, I might as well go ahead. It make sense, right? Like, I wouldn't say it's a hype shoe because it was still sitting, but Cause and Sakai gotta mean something, you know what I'm saying? So that's the first pickup, and then we're gonna get into this next one from Kith. I've known about the brand Kith for a long time, a very long time. It's just I've never been able to, like, I've never bought anything. Like, I really like their sweatshirts and stuff, but I've just never went ahead and pulled the trigger. But I seen these on their website, and I was like, damn, these shits kind of go. So I'm gonna need me a pair. Alright, so y'all might judge me for this just because what I'm about to pull out, but I mean, at the end of the day, we'll get into it. So, all white box, and I don't know how to say this brand name, and I'm gonna have to learn it for the video's sake, but Suikoi, S-U-I-C-O-K-E, Suikoi. I don't know how to say it. I'll learn. But yeah, man, we got a pair of these, and I know they usually sell like the slides or whatever, but we went ahead with something a little different this time. So what I'm pulling out now is a big ass boot, and I know y'all like, yo, Diggy, man, like, yo, Finesse guy, bro, like, you smoking crack rock right now. If you didn't know, it was summer outside, so what are you doing, my boy? My thing is, if you hip the fashion or whatever, you buy your clothes in the off season. So essentially, when it's spring and summertime, you should be buying winter clothes and fall clothes. When it's fall and winter, you should be buying your spring summer clothes, because that's when, for one, they go on sale, and they're at like the peak of the sale that they would be at. And then it's just a better deal, because most people ain't checking for them, and they're gonna be scrambling trying to get like winter stuff and boots and etc. But not you, because you bought your shit in the off season. Shout out to J. Cole, the off season. We off in this. But I really like these. I've been wanting a pair of like duck boots type feel, and these definitely gave me like Kanye vibes, like them big ass boots he be wearing. Like I really bang with these. Don't worry, like the full review is gonna be up on the channel. I'm gonna do a full on feet and everything, but like these are fire. So they still have pairs of these left. I think they had like a full size run, so go ahead and cop, just because like I said, it's the off season for them. They on sale. Cop while you can, because if the right person wear these, it's a wrap, cuz. So these are just 2 pickups, you know what I'm saying? Some Sacai Blazers, some big ass Sucoat Sucoat. I don't know how to say this shit. I'll learn by the time the video come around. But yeah, man, these are just the 2 pickups I got. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join the God Squad, all that good stuff. I'm your boy, the Finesse God, Iggy Diggity, J Diggy 92. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, my hands is full, so I can't salute y'all, but I love y'all, and I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.